Hello, this is a demonstration of using a ball that has some give, or if you don't have one of these, using a dryer ball will work to help get a little bit more targeted release on the muscles in the back. I'm going to demonstrate this first at the wall. So if you're having a really high pain day, it feels really tight, you're going to want to start at the wall with this tool. Once your pain starts to come down to more manageable levels, then you can go ahead and lie down on the ball and do the exact same thing that I'm showing you here at the wall, okay? So we're gonna take the ball and we're gonna start with, so the most common space is this low back area right here. There are several muscles in there that get pretty crabby. So you simply need a wall that's not going anywhere, okay? I move the camera just a touch here, okay? And you're gonna take your ball and you do not set it on your spine, okay? It needs to be on the soft tissue. So also feel like, where's the top of your pelvis? Because a lot of us, our pelvises are a lot higher than we think they are, all right? And then you can see the ball right there. I'm gonna widen up my feet and then just rock back and forth, okay? And then you can go ahead and go up on your toes and do circles. You can just do straight up and down and get into that little space. And I'm moving my body against the wall in order to move the ball, okay? So if we're going up on the shoulder, all right, then we're gonna come in here between the shoulder blade and the spine, okay? All right, so I have my arm in front of me so that you can see the ball. In reality, your arms are gonna be down at your side, okay? Again, we're gonna take the ball and just rock back and forth between the spine and the shoulder blade. Do a gentle little knee bend to bring it up to the top. Go ahead and lean in into extension if you're able to, okay? And then come on down. And roll it down. Ooh, that actually feels really good. And remember, when you are doing this, your arm is gonna be at your side, okay? I have my arm up for demonstration purposes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just gap the ball a little bit and let it come down. There we go, okay? And now up and down. Right along the edge of the spine there. Working those muscles that hold us up for posture. And I'm bending my knees into just a gentle squat, nothing crazy. Keep your heels on the floor, okay? All right, so play with it, experiment with it, and enjoy the release. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you deserve good care.